Fish is coming. Tsukiji Fish Market used to be here. It's the biggest fish market in Japan, but due to the age of the buildings, so we get some. This is the traditional Japanese. So I've already bought because also sometimes. This is for cutting the tuna. It's big and long. It looks like the samurai sword. So everyone is ready. I will show you how to put apron, right? Lighter color. This is a Kyoto style miso. And then this is a dried bonito. It's like this fish. Then we don't add the miso to the soup directly. We use this strainer. Okay? Thank you.
How was it for you, Quentin?
I really liked the eating part. It was really good. And we really fun making something, which was good. It was as good as the restaurants, and I made it myself. It wasn't a professional chef who made it. And it was fun buying the things and then seeing them in our sushi. It's very good.
The staff is really kind with our family, so we felt like we could really enjoy every part of it. So come enjoy, we really liked it, we recommend it.
Very good.
Please wipe off the excess oil. Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, no, the tour was wonderful. It was great to go through the areas and see different things up close, get a better understanding of the different like fish and the types of tuna. The cooking class was also great to get to do different dishes to kind of understand, actually how difficult these things are to do.
Yeah, it was really enjoyed it. I learned so much, and we got to eat lovely sushi again.